Hello everyone. My face is probably pitch black, but so are my wheels. Okay, that was a little corny. So let's check it out. So if you guys saw in the last video, these were bronze, but it was a terrible kind of bronze. It was almost like a gold copper kind of color. And it was so bad that I didn't even want to drive this car around. So I got the tires demounted and I painted them satin black. And I'll say, this looks so much better. Let me know what you guys think. But I think this is like the look I was going for. I wanted it to be like a kind of like a dark colored car, not in your face, nothing too flashy. And I think this pulls it off well. Here it is from the side. I think it blends in so much better than the fake bronze color. Yep. Okay, now moving on to today's main subject. I have this front lip that I want to install. So this lip is made by Woodsport, which is the same guys that makes these fender flares. And it's kind of like a replica of the Buddy Club, except the Woodsport version has this split right here. So it's a two-piece lip, very much like how the OEM one is, whereas the Buddy Club is one piece all the way through. So you can see this thing it extends out a lot further than the OEM one. So it's more aggressive, more beefy looking. So this lip is designed for the MK1B, meaning 87 and 89 versions of the AW11, which my car is. And this will fit MK1As because I've had one on there before, but you gotta do some cutting. It'll be easy to figure out once you get it on. So anyways, to put this thing on my car, let's start by taking the OEM, what do you call that thing? A lip, I guess? Yeah, we'll go with that. We'll call it a lip. So I just noticed this, and my front right valence is kind of bent. And this will probably affect overall fitment of the lip, which it already is with the OEM one. So I'm gonna try beating this thing straight, but if that doesn't work, then I can find another one. The left side is nice and straight though. So I'm halfway done taking off the lip, and there's actually quite a bit of hardware that goes with it. So it's got like these little brackets here that attaches right there, and then that'll go inside the lip here. So I gotta think about how I'm gonna reinforce the new lip like the OEM was. Okay, so OEM lip is off, and here they are side by side. Now already you can tell that the Woodsport one is way beefier, and it's got like maybe a ½ inch height difference, and also this part here is different. Yeah. So like I was saying earlier, I want to try and like reuse the OEM mounting points. So there's here, these here, and then these little holes here. So this part right here is easy, but I'm not sure what to do about the sides because there's nothing there. Wow, it actually fits really nice. And then on the right sides, just as I feared, it doesn't fit. So nothing lines up because of my bent valence right here. So I gotta try and pound that out to fit this shape of the lip better. I'm not so good of a hammer, so hopefully this goes well. Ouch. That was not a good feeling, but I think it's actually pretty straight, maybe good enough. Let's see. Better, but it still doesn't want to fit on this side, so let's keep hammering. Sometimes I surprise myself. Look at this. It's like perfect fitment now. Barely any gaps, and it flows nice and smooth. Only thing is left is this little crease, but you know, that's fine. I don't care. So there you go. This thing, I think it's ready to be mounted.
Oh wow, so cool. Dang. Big lip.
It's pretty sick, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks. That sounded very...
So anyway, this is all good to go?
So yeah, there's the lip mounted. And yeah, I didn't really show the process, so...
You know what? Too bad they don't have the little cutout here.
Yeah.
To make it slip in nicer?
I think this is designed for the MK1As, so the cars without this lip.
Oh, because in the back it has that little cut. It's pretty good.
I might try to do something, I don't know.
Little notch.
But anyways, let's show you how I mounted this. So for this part right here, I just reused the OEM holes. So I got 2 nuts there, and also 2 nuts here. And in the middle, I got the stud here. And now for this part, I'm actually kind of proud of this. I made some brackets to hold the lip on. So I got one here, and then same on this side, one here and one here. And this thing is, it's solid. And then I also added a little bolt here to keep the 2 pieces together. Oh, yeah, very solid. So I'm gonna leave the lip as it is for now because I'm not ready for paint yet. So it'll stay white. And the last thing I want to do today is install these Jdm turn signals.
Is that a 240 part? Looks exactly the same, don't it?
Yeah. So here's the Jdm turn signals installed. Got on both sides. Now the only difference between this and USDM is that there's a little bulb in here that actually lights up, whereas the USDM one doesn't have that, and it's just a single turn signal bulb. But this has like a little parking light. Yeah. And I also put in a LED bulb for here. I'm going to show you the difference real quick. So just go turn on the lights. Yeah, so this one's LED. It's a natural white color, and it's just a much cleaner look. And this is just a regular, just a normal bulb, and it looks kind of yellowish. Okay, both LED lights are in, and this is what the turn signals look like. Yeah, so this is a 100% plug and play. I didn't need to modify anything. You don't need to modify the harness, and you don't need to modify the mounting points. It just goes right in. So yeah, 100% plug and play. Look at this guy trying to flex on me, huh? So anyways, that's a nice little facelift for the MR2. Once again, this is the Woodsport front lip, and then these are just the Jdm Euro style turn signals. And yeah, I am really happy with how this thing fits. Like, it fits really good, and most importantly, very solid with all the brackets I used. On my last MR2, I just had it zip tied under, and it would flop around all over the place, and actually fell off on the freeway once. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Of course, I still got lots more planned for this car, so make sure you stick around. See ya.